Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video we're going to be installing just something small in this bag.
Quite big actually.
Yeah, it's quite a big bag. It's not a big thing. So let me get it out and I'll show you what we've got. Okay, so in here we've got.
Wow.
Woo! We've got a rev counter. Oh my god, it's actually really small.
What do you think it's not going to be a wall clock, fam?
Yes, basically, I know some of maybe the newer Cindy's or.
No, I think just the better spec ones have these. Because yours is the base.
Yeah, so what does it do, Chloe? What's it called?
A rev counter.
So what does it show you?
It tells you your revs.
There you go.
So it doesn't tell me when I should shift.
It doesn't tell you when it should shift, it shows you what the revs are. You can decide when
so
to
if
shift.
I redline it.
Yeah. That's an indication
So
that
like when Michael redlines it, it makes his car louder.
or explode in this Cindy.
Yeah, we won't redline Cindy. Or we hope I won't redline Cindy. Not on purpose anyway.
Robert the rev counter.
Robert the rev counter is being installed in Cindy the Citroen. Yeah, so as you can see with the rev counter, it's obviously got a silver like outer thing, which is what the rest of the stuff in my car had. But because obviously we spray painted the rest of the stuff blue, this, yeah, I can't say silver because that's fucking ugly. So I bought more spray paint. I feel like every video I end up spray painting stuff at the moment. Like, it's kind of annoying. But I bought the colour match spray paint. So it's going to be blue to match the rest of the car. Yay!
Oh, you've almost stabbed me in the chest.
So I've got a screwdriver.
You're going to say spatula.
No, we're in that fit.
So, talk through what we're doing today then. How are we doing this then? How are we installing it for anyone who wants to?
I don't have a clue.
Fuck's sake.
I'm just doing step by steps of what Michael says because I literally.
I haven't told you anything.
Yeah, you told me that we were on screen, didn't you?
Easy with it. Fucking hell.
Michael thinks everything's like this delicate little flower. Like, imagine getting moaned at for turning the fucking tap on too aggressive. Like, he goes, you need to go like this. No.
Why do you turn it on like it's a bloody power washer then?
I ain't fucking faffing about, am I? Oh.
So, here's the rev counter.
We need one to plug in there.
So we need to find a cable.
I think we found it. I think it's this. I just need to cut this sellotape so I can like twist it up.
And why is there a cable there, Claire, already?
So that they just knew I was going to install a rev counter.
Oh, I'm done.
We're just going to test fit the rev counter to check it works. Because we've had a couple of videos where we don't do that and they don't work.
Yep.
And now I've got a hole in my boot.
Yeah.
Fun fact for you. Because you've never seen that video.
Yeah. We installed a reverse camera and it didn't actually work. Well, the head unit actually blew up, so...
Yeah, so for anyone also that comments, I have said in my Q&A, but there is now no head unit because it stopped working. And the reverse camera that come with it also didn't work. So that head unit basically just made me have about 3 holes in my car.
Yep.
And now no head unit.
Disgraceful.
Ready?
I can't see, but...
I've plugged it in.
Okay, you plugged it in. Let's start the car. Give it a little rev.
Hold on.
Hey!
Ready?
Just a little one. Wow.
Should we redline?
No. That's cool. Right.
I'm going to look at that for speed and go, huh? 2 miles an hour?
Oh, bloody hell.
I'm really impressed with Citroens. They don't give me my rev can already installed, but look at this shit, they literally show me, because I was said that and I was thinking, how am I going to know where to cut? Like, am I just going to cut a fat hole in the thing and then it looks all gross? They literally give you like the shape to cut out. They fucking carved it out for me ready. Sorry, that's amazing. Big up Citroen. Oh my god. We're gonna try use this to cut it out because we think it might maybe make it a bit neater and quicker. Otherwise, we're going to resort to option 2, which is the saw, but don't know what that is. Okay, so we've cut the hole in the plastic. The top bit's not the most round thing in the world, but it looks pretty good. We're going to test fit it ourselves quickly, not on camera, and then I'm going to spray paint the silver, and then in a couple of days when it's dry, we'll put it on for you. And hopefully it'll be all good. Okay, so it's a couple of days later. I think the spray paint is dry now. I'll show you. Oh. Yeah, sir. It's not the best thing, like you can see drips, but the spray paint did go kind of weird. Like,
listen, it doesn't have to be perfect. Come on.
I'm just saying.
Oh wow, it looks glossy.
Yeah, I know.
That looks amazing.
That's quite good, isn't it?
It looks like a car paint.
Yeah.
It's almost better than a Citroen.
Not bad. So all we've got to do now is insert this back into the rev counter, and then we can install the rev counter in. And we'll take it for a little test drive.
Yep. So inside the car,
Yeah.
we've been driving around like that for a while.
Yeah. So here we got all the bits. Gotta pop this back into the thing. I hope it goes in nicely because it did snap the clip a little bit. But I'm sure it'll be fine.
Honestly, you deserve an award if you don't snap a clip, at least one.
There's like, you can kind of clip it in from these, so it just pushes in there. Now I just gotta see if I can get this on over the thing.
Hopefully.
The other way did work, so we have to put this on first, otherwise you can't get it over the top. So I kind of do it as you go, but you can't really see. No, can this come off?
The wheel?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're gonna have to put it back on then. You have to take the airbag off. Why is she getting so
Because
stressed?
it's not fitting on. Okay, so I've got the thing down, I've just got to screw it in. It's actually quite fiddly to get in because you've got to like put this on and then connect this when it's underneath and you can't actually see. But anyway, I've managed to get it on. That's quite cool. I'm gonna get the screws in so it's all secure.
I don't understand, it's you who's honking.
Yeah, but why does it have to...
Why does it have to honk?
When your cars are off, do they honk? No.
Citroen, right? You have a girl who's mad at you
Yeah,
because
I'm
your car
pissed
honks
off.
when it's off.
It's annoying.
Stop leaning on the wheel then.
Why is it hard not to? Okay, so look. We've got it all installed on Stins.
Look at that.
I think it's good. I'm actually surprised because I used to think I didn't like the look of rev counters. Like, I used to think, oh, they're ugly.
Yeah, do you like it now?
But I actually quite like it. I think it looks quite funky.
It does look funky. It looks...
It's better in blue. I think it's cool. I actually quite... Because I don't know why in my head I was thinking it was much bigger than it was. I don't know if like minis have... Because you know minis have ones like this, don't they? So,
have it in the middle.
yeah, maybe that's what I'm thinking. I thought it was bigger than that. I think it looks quite good actually. I like it.
Sure.
It's cool. Let's have a go, check that it works quickly again. Yeah, I probably won't use it. I don't even know what rev I'm supposed to be at, but... Okay. Oh, it didn't move.
It did move.
It didn't move. Oh, you're fucking joking me. Hold on. I forgot to plug it in.
You fucking idiot.
I swear to you, I plugged it in.
Well, you fucking didn't.
Yeah, well, there's been a lot of plugging and unplugging this thing because the screws keep don't fitting. So I must have just forgot. And then I'm annoyed.
Imagine what you're like changing the clutch.
Because I can barely fucking reach to do it now. Alright, second time lucky.
Hey. Not too much.
Woo!
Take on a drive.
Let's go.
So there it is. Fucking lit. What do you think? I actually like it.
I think it was cool.
It's a bit of a. It looks like an alien. Like.
Yeah, it's a bit funky, but that's fine. And we're gonna go film it as we drive.
It's like a little POV.
Yeah.
Oh, the handbrake's still on. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's like a little. Well, it is a little rev counter. So it's very cute. Let's go.
Funky.
Woo! Look at that.
I like it. I probably won't look it.
I think it's quite cute.
It is cute.
Like, you don't even need to know the revs in this car because we got so used to it. But like, it's cool to see it.
Anyway, see you back at home. I'm glad I like it because I feel stupid, but like I didn't think I would like it, but I was like,
I like it.
I'm gonna install it for a video, you know, like it makes sense.
Yeah, but
I do actually like it. It's cool.
well, your car is basically the guinea pig for anybody else who has got a C1. See if they like it, and then if they
I'll
do,
fuck it up so that you can make it look nice on your car. But anyway, unfortunately that is the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Follow me on Instagram at chl_.oe. Subscribe to my channel down below. And we'll see you, or I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Whoop.